CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Summarize services provided by networked hosts. Server roles. This might be a bit of a review for some of you, but I'm going to start this video with a quick definition of what a server is. In a logical sense, a server is a computing device that provides a service to other computing devices, known as clients. A single server can perform one role or many roles within a network, and that is exactly what we are focusing on in this video segment. First, let's talk about DNS servers, or Domain Name System servers. Think of DNS as the Internet's phone book. When you type a website name like www.certificationsynergy.com into your browser, you are using a fully qualified domain name, often abbreviated as FQDN. DNS servers translate that human-friendly name into an IP address, which is the numerical address computers use to locate resources on a network. Without DNS, users would have to remember IP addresses instead of simple names, which would make everyday internet use extremely impractical. Next, we have DHCP servers, which stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP servers automatically assign IP addresses to devices when they connect to a network. In addition to an IP address, a DHCP server typically provides other essential network settings, such as the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server information. This automatic configuration process allows devices to connect and communicate without requiring manual network setup. File servers provide a centralized location where users can store, access, and share files across the network. This makes collaboration easier and helps organizations manage data more efficiently by keeping files in a single, controlled location. Print servers manage printing resources on a network. They receive print jobs from users and forward them to the appropriate printer. This centralizes printer management and prevents each device from needing a direct connection to every printer. Mail servers are responsible for sending, receiving, and storing email messages. When you send an email, it is processed by a mail server before being delivered to the recipient. Mail servers also store messages so users can access their email from multiple devices. Syslog servers are used for logging and monitoring. They collect log files and system messages from network devices, servers, and applications. These logs are critical for troubleshooting issues, monitoring performance, and identifying security events. Web servers host websites and deliver web content to users' browsers. When you visit a website, your browser sends a request to a web server, which responds by sending back the website's data so it can be displayed on your screen. Next, we have servers that handle authentication, authorization, and accounting, commonly referred to as AAA servers. These servers verify who a user is, determines what they are allowed to access, and keeps records of their activity. AAA servers play a critical role in network security by ensuring only approved users and devices can access network resources. Two common implementations of AAA services are Radius and TAC-AX+, which are often used to control access to networks and network devices. Now let's look at database servers, which are a new addition to the exam objectives. Database servers store, organize, and manage large amounts of structured data. Applications rely on database servers to quickly retrieve, update, and store information such as user accounts, transaction records, or inventory data. While users rarely interact with database servers directly, many web applications and services depend on them behind the scenes. Lastly, we have Network Time Protocol servers, often abbreviated as NTP. NTP servers ensure that devices on a network have accurate and synchronized time. This is critical for logging, security events, authentication processes, and troubleshooting, since mismatched timestamps can make it difficult to track activity or correlate events accurately. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.